welcome back again to my channel. This is a review, guys. It's a review and I'm so happy to do this collaboration with this company. Oh, they are off the Now, let's get right into this collaboration now. Now, this company, New Air, is a company that manufactures wide ranges of appliances which are sold all over North America. This product is sold to major retailers all over North America. So you guys might be familiar with this company already. Now, let me get right into this product. I'm so excited. I'm after telling you, I love it. When you receive your package in the mail, it will come in a box that looks exactly like this one. When you open your package, it will be secure just like this. This is my thank you that I got from the company with my postcard inside. You will find 2 books in here. One is a cookbook that has a ton and ton of recipes that you guys are gonna go crazy for. Inside of your air fryer will be your manual, and your manual is going to show you exactly how to take care of your air fryer. It's going to show you your setting, basically what you're cooking in there, your quality of the amount you could put in there, your cooking time, and your temperature. This way you can never go wrong when you're using your air fryer. The best thing about the air fryer is your cookbook. Oh my God, this cookbook is off the chain. Remember guys, your air fryer is an oil-less air fryer, so you don't need to worry about greasy food anymore. This is a healthy way of cooking. This cookbook has tons of snacks, appetizers, main dish, and desserts. Your air fryer is going to come secure in a plastic cover. Your air fryer comes with this handle for easy and safe removal. I'm going to show you how easy, fast, and simple it is to use your Avalon oil-less air fryer. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. After 15 minutes on 360 degrees, we have perfect chicken right inside of our Avalon Bay air fryer. Look how juicy that chicken is. Chicken in 15 minutes. Now, go ahead and turn up your kitchen mad loud. Just use my discount code OUTTOCOOK. You're going to get 15% off. The link will be down below in the description box. What are you waiting for? The thing turn up loud, loud, loud. You're going to love it enough as much as I love it. The thing shot. Now, for the rules for this giveaway, it's easy and simple. First, you have to subscribe. Then you have to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. Now, I'm going to share this with one of you guys, but you have to follow all the rules. You know there's always a rule to a giveaway, right? Let me know below why I should send this product to you. This Avalon Bay oil-less air fryer will come to your house. You are going to love it. Now guys, this giveaway, the winner will be notified in 4 weeks. After you follow all of the rules you're going to send me a message on Instagram in my inbox and say done, that I will know that you entered. Your Instagram name will be placed on my list of all the people that entered. All the links will be down below, guys. Now remember, guys, when you use my discount code, forget your air fryer, it's going to be 15% off. So don't forget, bargain, bargain, bargain galore. I guarantee you, you are going to love this Avalon Bay air fryer as much as me enjoy it. Love it now, love it. So now what you waiting for? Get going, right? And remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.
Get up, time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left.
I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.